Hi, this is Rob with DroidPress.com. I just want to show you guys really quickly how easy it is to create an Android app for your WordPress site in just a few minutes. It's a free WordPress plugin. Go to DroidPress.com and you can see a little preview of what the app looks like over here on the right. But just press download the plugin, download it, install it to your WordPress site as you would with any other plugin. And once you activate it and have it ready to go, here's what it will look like. On the left-hand side, you can see DroidPress in the menu. Press on that, and you open your settings. Now you've got 6 tabs here. You're going to run through these settings, and then you build your app. I'm not going to go through all these settings. You can tell here's pretty much where you set your title, icon, and the colors to customize it. A little about blurb for the settings. And the navigation lets you choose whether you're using categories, tags, or both, and set exactly what the navigation will look like. Again, from the home page, that's what shows up right here. So it allows users to filter and navigate and browse the types and kinds of articles that they want to. Comments will automatically detect WordPress or Discuss and use whatever you've got working on your current install. And if you're using Discuss, you just need to tap this link, sign up real quick, and they'll give you the information you need here for the API key and the API secret. It's just a couple-minute process. And you can choose to show comments and comment count or hide them. Maybe you don't have a lot of comments and you don't want to broadcast that not a lot of people are commenting. It's fine. You can hide those. For ads, even free users can show their ads in the app and begin generating revenue immediately. You can see the different ad positions. You can turn them on and off with this toggle and put your ad code here, which accepts AdMob or DFP, and in the future we'll be accepting more. And if you're a premium user, you can turn them off completely, and you can also sell in-app subscriptions, which is an option down here, which creates another revenue source for users that don't like to see ads, or maybe they're loyal readers and they want to contribute to you and give you a donation. That's a great way to accept donations and also help them out. When you're browsing from the web, if an Android device is detected, we can say, hey, maybe you should download our app. And there's some other ways to create money and check out tracking with Amazon, eBay, and Google Analytics ID for you to enter, all customized to your accounts. The Advanced tab I would not recommend adjusting unless you know exactly what this stuff is already. And we do have documentation. If you just press Help, it will provide much more information about all the features in the DroidPress settings. Once you've done that, you go to the Build It tab. You enter some notes about this. The first time I'm testing an app, yay. And that's for future reference when you're looking back at the history of apps you created. If you want to make a separate paid app, you can disable ads if you're premium, but we recommend using the subscriptions. It's a much smoother process, and all your downloads and ratings all go towards one app instead of being split across 2. It also saves you some work. Don't mess with these advanced build settings again unless you know what they are. If you have an existing Android app and you want to overwrite it with DroidPress, you're going to want to know what these are. So again, view our help documentation or visit our forums. But otherwise, you can just go ahead and press Build It if you're using it for the first time. And then the magic happens. It goes and sends it off into Magic DroidPress Creation Land. And you can see this is the one that is being built right now. It shows the compile notes down here, and it says pending. And this isn't going to update live, and I wouldn't recommend refreshing the screen over and over and over. What this is going to do is email you once it's complete, and that usually takes anywhere from 2 to 7 minutes. Okay, and it looks like there was successful creation of our app, and there it is. Your app is available for download. So I created a little one a little while ago. Now it will link you to your website, and really that's so that only you can download the app. If you open that zip file up, you will see appsign.apk. This is your app. You could upload this directly to the Google Play Store and your app will begin working beautifully. If you want to test it, you can email this APK directly to your Gmail and then download it with your Android phone and begin using it on your phone to test immediately. And now, just like we see on the DroidPress website, here is the Fandroid News app working that we just created. You can see the beautiful news, how it slides up with that animation. There's the drawer to the left with the navigation we created. We can filter by, let's do CES, and it will show all the posts from CES. There's a lot of stuff happening at CES now, so you can see it's got the comment count. We can star articles, and then they'll show up in our nice little My Favorites drawer. And a lot of great features, and there you go. Speaking of featured, there is the featured category. Let's jump into a review that we did of the Galaxy Note 4. You can see the comment count on the bottom. That will disappear as you're scrolling. But if you scroll back up, it shows it. Let's jump into some discuss comments. And you can see the nested comments. So a lot of great features. And this is it. We got this app up and running and installed in just 10-15 minutes. So it works beautifully. It will work just this way with your app or your website, your WordPress install, your plugin. There you go. There you have it. This is DroidPress working on Fandroid.com. Could your site be next?